So when it comes to being a mentor, understand that being a mentor is a big time investment. And so when you ask someone to be a mentor, also be very clear about what kind of investment or feedback or insight you're looking for.
Yeah.
If you ask someone to be a mentor, I often think it's unlikely that it will convert into something, because it's not clear if you want someone to literally be like a coach that works with you weekly, or sometimes for people, mentoring is touching base once every 3 months. Or it's just giving advice one time. And so defining what mentorship is here is a big deal. And so when you ask someone to be a mentor, illustrate and show that you understand what mentorship is by sort of defining what you're looking for. And at the same time, be okay with not hearing back or getting a no, because realistically, people are pretty busy.
Yeah.
If you're going to find a mentor, you want to make sure that if they say yes, that they have the time and the ability to commit to it. Otherwise, you're going to end up in a situation where someone says, sure, I'll mentor you. But what if you never get follow-up or you never get feedback? So I think it's about just being really open and honest about what mentorship means, and from both perspectives.
Yeah, absolutely. Question for you. Do you have a mentor, or did you have a mentor when you were starting out?
I had a series of different mentors, I think, because I had mentors on the technical side that were like people. So I was at University of Minnesota, and I learned a lot from some of the research professors there who were focused like in innovating in business science and that type of work. From a business perspective, I've had a lot of different mentors. Generally, they're actually at the positions I'm in, because by mentors, for me, it means learning a lot about the business and learning about how to successfully leverage data for it. And that can often be a very company dependent definition. So when I think about going to a role or a new position, I think about, what am I going to learn in addition to what I'm going to contribute? Like, do I have people here that I can learn from, that I can work with, that they may not want to, like, mentoring doesn't mean like they give me advice every day, but I can at least learn from their example, and I can, approach them over time with questions.
Yeah, absolutely. I actually think for some part of my life, I built mentors via books. So I view authors of motivational books or data books or any sorts of books or online materials as my mentors, because they, like yourself, you post almost every single day on LinkedIn. So I think a lot of people can view you as a mentor just by reading your LinkedIn posts. It doesn't have to be as official as sitting down, holding hands, and talking through what to do next.